You know, friends and I are protecting families and friends back. My lovely wife Amber is putting JB Weld.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. On our crack. It was a huge gash crack, and it's filling out really nicely. It's not really seeping through or anything, so it's really thick, not too runny.
Which is interesting.
So
It seems like
it looks runny at first,
runny-ish.
but when you actually apply it, it really just bonds to with our surface and holds its place. So she's a chef by trade and pastry chef and good at frosting cakes, so she's pretty good at not putting too much pressure on our filling here. So she's frosting our water pump.
I guess.
So I think this is gonna work. We actually used silicone before, but it kind of blew through. But hopefully this is our solution. It says that it's actually pretty strong. It can have a strength of 3,770 psi and all this other stuff. And use a black and white version. I went for the black version.
I actually like the black version because you can see when you're mixing it if you've actually thoroughly mixed it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how I would know.
Because there's a white and black type of a color.
Yeah, when it comes out.
Yeah, so you kind of see it.
No,
See,
just put a little
there,
bit
see?
out.
White and black right there. You can see it. Right, white right here, black right there.
So the packaging's nice because it comes with a little mix tray, so you don't have to like find a disposable something to mix it in. So that's cool.
Yep.
And it comes with a little stick.
Stick, yep. And it takes 15 minutes to bond, so we're just gonna...
It's 15 minutes to like
harden.
Well,
Cure.
dry, and 30 minutes to cure.
Oh, okay. Oh, it says set time 15, sand in 30 minutes. So that's pretty fast. And then we're gonna have a working pump. We're gonna have to buy a new one.
We'll see.
That'd be cool. But we have a little bit of a leak here. We're just gonna let that go. I think it'll be fine. But we barely use that much JB Weld. See,
Yeah.
we only use like maybe half-ish.
Third.
A third, maybe, not even that. So we have plenty more for later. I like that we can cap it.
Dry and we'll do the other.
And then, well, I'll probably just run the pump on. We don't need it. It'll probably work just as good. That's unless that blows, then maybe we'll do it again.
Right,
But we'll just kind of go with it for now.
Okay.
All right, thanks for watching. Link in the description below. You want to see more? Comment. Thanks.
Got any questions?